Louisiana is full of stories. Yours begins here, down one of Louisiana's scenic trails and byways. When America's first offshore oil well was drilled on CADDO Lake in 1911, North Louisiana became an instant player in the oil boom. Today, the rusty jacks of yesteryear stand in contrast to the other natural resources to discover along the 137-mile boom or bust byway. Anchored by Lake CLAIBORNE State Park on the east and CADDO Lake to the west, the byway pays tribute to fortunes won and lost, and that's not all. Prepare to go vertical along the boom or bust byway, up and over one of the highest points in Louisiana. In a state known for its bayous and delta, you've arrived in Louisiana high country, a place where the highway meets the sky. Follow the twists, turns, and rolling hills of the pastoral landscape to discover fields of gold. Feasts of the eye and the palate abound, where endless platters of catfish are best served with good company and stunning views. The byway takes you to retreats where families can find the time to laugh and make memories to last a lifetime. Against a backdrop of crystal lake water, there are small towns with antebellum courthouses and historic main streets, perfect for strolling and dreaming of what once was. And lakeside classrooms where sisters learn a time-honored pastime, as long as Dad baits the hooks. For the hungry, find a family-owned restaurant around the bend. Museums along the boom or bust byway are places to explore and wonder about a time when a utopian society was established in 1835, how the oil and gas industry evolved, and when railroad depots were the center of life. Today, cypress trees have replaced the oil derricks. The original boom days are now a fond memory, like a conversation between two old friends. Friends used to economic turns, like the ups and downs of the landscape, and who believe the best is yet to come. The boom or bust byway is yours to explore.